Alright guys, this came early for me. It was supposed to come Tuesday and it came on Saturday. It told me it was delayed, but for some reason it came on schedule. And luckily I was home to to receive it because they left it on the patio and then anybody could have came by and took it. But nonetheless, here it is. It's the Sceptre 55-inch 4K UHD series. I got this for $239.99 at Walmart. I think with tax, I also got the $25 3-year warranty, and also with tax, $22 tax. It came to close to almost about around $268. So yeah, it came shipped pretty good. I took a look at it. It doesn't look damaged. I mean, just a couple little wrinkles right there, but nonetheless, it's a good shape. And so let's crack it open. I'm going to go ahead, and I am replacing the projector, but I got big plans for that, so no worries there. That'll be actually my backup. And I'm just going to put it right here, and hopefully it's going to come out about, definitely the base is going to be wider than this coffee table. So I don't know, we'll see, but I want to get that hooked up with the 5.1. Should be good to go. So let's do this. Let's open her up. Nice and packed. Now, getting it out. There we go. And it also comes with 2 batteries, screwdriver, probably for the base, the remote, and your instructions, user guide. Here's for one of the bases, and here's the second one. Doesn't feel like some durable plastic, maybe. There we go. All for the environment. And yeah, here we go. Oh my God. Oh. Oh, boy, that's got some weight. All right. And a little tear right here. Well packed, good, so far good condition.
Smells, man. Got that new manufacturer smell.
And let's take a close up of this. There you go. That's what it looks like. Not bad. Heavy. Heavier than I thought. Alright. So now it looks like to put the feet on, I gotta flip it over. Comes with 3 holes. If the light can pick that up. There you go. And it does come with some screws. So there you go. Alright. And got the trusty screwdriver. Okay, so I went and I got a flashlight so you guys can see product. There's the 3 holes. See that? And there's one over there. So. And on them, it does say right or left. Let's help you. This is right, so this will go here. Easy assembly.
It's not that easy for me because I'm blocking my own light.
And everything is black. Come on. Oh, goddamn. What happened was there was a plastic tip when it came that covered this, and I couldn't screw it in. It was some sort of rubber safety piece at the tip of the screwdriver. There it goes. While I do appreciate the smaller screwdriver that it comes with, I got to use a bigger one because I just cannot get a grasp on these. You'll figure out when you see it's not a deal breaker or anything, but it's just kind of annoying. It's a little tiny screwdriver. I got big hands, you know what I mean? Yeah, need something grip. There it goes. Yeah, you might want to consider a bigger screwdriver. All right, so here it goes. Got it right on the table, fit just perfect. Pretty big. I thought it'd been a little bit bigger than that, but nonetheless, it's pretty cool. So now what I'm going to do is plug it in, but first, here's my projector. And this is where I get the Fire Stick. This is the old school Fire Stick. This is like the first generation. But it still works, and I only put it on here because it was first generation. In my other TV back here, here's the 4K. So I'm going to swap that out. I'm going to put this 4K, the newer model, on the new TV, and the old generation will go with this guy. And here's another one. See, Sceptre. Where is it? Yep, right there. Good TV, man. I've had that TV probably about 5 years. So, here's another generation. This is another Sceptre. So, I'm going to swap that out now, and hopefully everything works out okay. Okay, quickly want to show you also, there is where I put the 4K Fire Stick. 3 HDMI ports, cable and USB, and the audio video auxiliaries and headphones are on the other below. So let's go ahead. I plugged her in. I'm showing a red light, just somewhere under there. And let's do this. All right, I went ahead and turned off all the lights just so we can get an idea of exactly what it looks like. Firing it up. All right, so far so good. We got the initial setup. I got my Chinese AAA batteries inside. And come on. Hold on a second. I'm just wondering. Maybe this is why my remote is not. Maybe this is blocking. Oh, come on. Oh, there it is. Oh, come on. There we go. All right, future note. Take off the plastic all around the edges. I think it picks up right there, but now it works, so let's go ahead. English. Nope. All right, guys, I got it. For some reason, I got a bad outlet, and I had to put an extender on it. Never mind, long story. But anyhow, it works. I got the 4K set up on it. And yeah, boom. It was just like that. Real easy setup. Like I said, I put the Fire Stick in just one of the HDMI ports, plugged it in, turned it on. That's it. So I'm good to go. Yeah, it's beautiful. See how One thing I kind of want to add on is the sound. I tried the sound out, and I mean, compared to the 32-inch I have, it can get loud, but it just doesn't. It sounds like you're listening through like a AM radio or something. So the sound isn't that great, but it is loud enough to watch until you get maybe a sound bar. Sound bar would probably work, or if you got like something like what I got right here, that'll work too. All right, that's it. Great purchase. Price wise, I was originally trying to get a 65-inch for $228, but they didn't have delivery and I can't pick it up, so I had to settle for $20 more for 10 inches less, but that's what she said. Anyhow, bad joke. Great product. It's heavy as hell. The screen looks beautiful. I just got it. Can't tell you how much of a shelf life it has, but if there's anything to be said about the product, the brand, it lasts a long time. Like I said, this 32-inch right here, 5 years, not a problem. It still looks beautiful. So I love it. Great purchase. Shipped really quick. A little bit of a issue communication as far as shipping goes. That's with Walmart.com. But otherwise, yeah, great product. Check it out. Again, $239.99 plus tax, and I added the 3-year warranty. Came close to about $268. All right, I'll put the link in the description below if you want to take a look at it. That being said, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Peace.